Yeah, it's really interesting when you look at this. If you look at it for sure from a few feet away, you would never know that it was out of a 3D printer. It was digitally manufactured, and then when you look up close, you're still quite surprised, and it's really hard, even when you're holding the part, to believe that it was made in a 3D printer. Partly because the 3D printing that most people see is what you see on TV and in the news, and it's the 3D printing where it uses the filament and it creates those fine lines in the part. That's not the process that was used for this. So we're using a digital manufacturing process that creates parts that have the same properties at any point along the part. So it's truly a structural, high integrity part. And then on top of that, what we'll do on critical parts like this manifold is that we've got a specialized smoothing process where we'll take it from our machines and we'll post-process it through our smoothing. And that produces surface finishes like what you see here, that it's really challenging to see that it was produced in a 3D printer. You'd never know. Those are activities that we specialize in. What it comes down to is that there's several different technologies for additive manufacturing. And the fused filament method is great. It has great applications, and most of those are in the early stage prototypes. So to put something that's fused filament fabricated on a car is going to feel and look like a rough prototype. So yeah, it does matter. The smoothness of the part and the appearance really does matter, especially when you're getting to the stage where you're doing customer trials and getting insights from the market. Because the last thing you want to think is that you've got a rough prototype and you're just in the concept stage. So having the parts that look like they were produced in a regular manufacturing process creates a tremendous amount of confidence among the team that's doing the testing, and more importantly, with the customers that will end up purchasing the products, because it looks and feels like the real thing. And that's really important.